for a Disney Channel special sneak peek of the next big attraction at Disney's Hollywood Studios, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
And our next gift to you is a look inside before anyone else gets to see. Come on.
Don't forget your hard hat.
We're here with Sharita Carter, a Disney Imagineer who's going to tell us all about Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
Can you tell us what's going on behind here?
Welcome to Runaway Park. This is the very first scene in our attraction. This is where Mickey and Minnie are getting together to go on the perfect picnic.
Aww.
We're very proud of it, and I can tell you, this is just the beginning.
Okay.
How did you bring fans inside the shorts that we watch on Disney Channel?
This is the very first ride-through attraction for Mickey and Minnie, a ride for all ages. As we know, the Mickey shorts are so much fun. They've got these vibrant environments, and it was so important to us to make sure that we were delivering on that in a dimensional environment for our guests.
Delivered, clearly.
Yeah,
This
it's
is
amazing.
awesome.
Thank you.
I hear there's a piece of Disney history on the ride.
There sure is, and I'd love to show you. Come with me.
Sharita.
So you know the very first Mickey cartoon was Steamboat Willie?
Of course,
Yes.
classic.
Okay, well, the tritone whistle that was used for the steamboat is actually used for this locomotive.
What?
This looks like it's gonna be a runaway hit. I can't wait.
It opens spring of 2020, so you don't have to wait that long.